In your company, various devices are connected and countless amounts of data are exchanged every day. For example, in this multifunction device, thousands of data are exchanged every month. Data from external computers, mobile devices, and servers. And all of this presents opportunities for malware to get into your company. What is malware? Viruses, Trojan horses, ransomware, spyware. The purpose of malware is not only to infect a multifunction device. The goal of sophisticated malware is to gain entrance to the company's network and create as much damage as possible. They will sneak in like they have a secure passport. Once they get into your company, they will reveal their true nature and gain access to your company's sensitive data. Threats do not always come from external networks. They can even be lurking in your office, physically breathing down your neck. On the USB drive you're about to plug into the MFP. So, to protect your endpoints, you need to do a thorough baggage search at the door. But with countless amounts of data coming in at any given time, you never know. How can you continuously monitor all that baggage? We have good news for you. We've hired a new guard. Let me introduce you. Introducing VirusScan Eye Option, powered by Bitdefender. The VirusScan Eye Option has two major benefits. The first is to reduce the threat of malware trying to get into your office by protecting MFP from the ever-evolving threat of malware. The second is to prevent the MFP from transmitting the malware to other devices, laptops, computers, mobile devices. VirusScan Eye Option monitors all the data that tries to pass through the MFP. As soon as it detects data threat, it instantly and automatically removes the threat. The data to be monitored is not only passing through, but also stored in storage media such as SSD, HDD, and installed applications. To combat the unknown threats, VirusScan Eye Option is equipped with the latest heuristic technology from Bitdefender's scanning engine, which has the knowledge to identify new threats. Even if the virus is unknown, it can now be prevented from infecting the system by determining that it may be a virus based on suspicious behavior. Once a virus has been identified, the definition file is automatically updated, and there is no need for management. Multifunction devices are strongly protected against infection. However, in the world of security, there are no absolutes. Having a countermeasure against unknown threats can protect your office. The places we work are transforming. Offices are changing shape, and more data is circulating around us. That's why security at the point of entry is becoming more and more important. Take action now, before it's too late. VirusScan Eye Option. Security services from Konica Minolta.